Hello everyone, welcome to Shada Cook. Today we are going to make Moong Dal Pakode. It's very popular in India and mainly enjoyed during rainy season. Very easy to make, so let's go through the ingredients. Firstly, we require about 1 cup of moong dal, split moong dal, you can see. And all you need to do is soak these moong dal about 2 hours in water. And then you need to ground it coarsely. You can see the texture. Not too thin, not too thick, like grainy texture. Next you need 1 green chili finely chopped, half teaspoon of ginger paste, half teaspoon of fennel seeds, half teaspoon of crushed coriander seeds, half teaspoon of red chili powder, salt to taste, and pinch of hing. So let's start with the batter. You're going to take the moong dal batter. Next we're going to just add in all the ingredients, that is green chili, ginger paste, red chili powder according to your taste, salt, fennel seeds or sauf, crushed coriander seeds, nice flavor it gives, and hing. And next we're going to just mix it well for like about 5 minutes. What will happen is that air will go inside and at the end you will get nice and fluffy pakoras. Okay, so next we're going to heat the oil. Now we're going to just drop in a little bit of the batter just to see if the oil is properly hot. And if it comes up like this, that means it's nice and hot. Now slowly drop in all the batter like that, coin size batter, and keep it on medium flame. If you find a difficulty with the hands, you can even use a spoon. And now we are going to keep it on high flame and stir it occasionally so that it doesn't get brown. And you can see all have come up. So now you can see it has got a nice golden color. So we're going to just remove it. Remove it on a paper towel. So moong dal pakoras are ready, as you can see. They've got a nice beautiful golden brown color. You can serve it with ketchup or maybe pudina chutney. Came out really soft and fluffy. It's great to enjoy during your tea time as a tea time snack. So do try it and let us know how does it comes out. Do subscribe and thumbs up this video if you liked it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.